Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a change that is going to happen in 2026 for Windows 11 users is that the Windows search, which we have here, will be replaced by Copilot search. That means that this is going to be more like this, but with a floating window where you can ask whatever you want to do or search for in your PC. If there is an advantage to it, first of all, underneath it's still going to use the same old search engine or indexer that Windows has, but it will add the capability of with Copilot Vision, which will be part of even x64 PCs at some point. Copilot will know where and how, where you've written text or did documents and stuff. So, in fact, it will make the search more powerful. And if you're searching for specific items, for example, what is the file in which I have written an email to Bridget? It will actually tell you, oh, this is the file you want. So something that the search indexer or the search is incapable of. So there are advantages to it, but of course you might want to turn it off. And the good news is Microsoft, while announcing that this is coming in 2026, maybe possibly at 26H2, it will be an opt-in and out. So apparently you will opt in, or if you don't like it, you can opt out and go back to the search indexer like it was before and not use Copilot search. But it is definitely something that will be happening this year in 2026 in Windows 11, 25H2, and possibly 26H2. So some of the new features coming to a PC near you this year. And it, of course, uses AI because it's Copilot. So if you don't want to use it, at least there's an on-off switch. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.